Good morning from John TM Beach. All the Skyline guys have, well, they left me. But I told them to leave me, to be fair. I had to get some work done on my computer this morning doing some photo editing for a client. So they've already headed to Bira Circuit. They've only been there for about an hour. I got me a little snack for breakfast. I'm gonna call a grab car, which is Thailand's version of Uber. And it's time to head to the track. Swadee Cup.
สนามแข่งรถพีระ
Bira.
Hello ไม่ขับรถ
Man, I forgot how expensive grab cars were here in Pattaya and John TM. They're literally at least double the price of what they cost in Bangkok. And it's political and financial. The taxis in Pattaya, they don't run their meter. When I've told you guys, if you come to Bangkok, always make sure your taxi driver runs his meter. If you come to Pattaya, you're I'm not going to go into why this happens on this channel because I don't want a hit put out on me. That was a 30-minute ride. It cost me like $22 US. It's like what an Uber cost in Atlanta. But I have made it to Bira Circuit. Yep, this is going to be a good day. Again, I'm excited. How could you not be? Look at this race diesel truck on the track too. I didn't expect to see that. Okay, the goal for today is to get a ride in this orange car. This orange car was just built. It's the one that has the full repaint of the new 2017 Up GT-R color, and that thing sounds so rowdy. Dude, it cams so hard. I mean, it's brand new build. This is how they're breaking it in. Today is one of those days in Thailand that is just, it's really moist. I mean, the air, it just, if you've ever been to like Miami in August and you walk out of the airport and your glasses just fog up and your whole body is just instantly wet. Yeah, it's one of those days in Thailand. Well, I mean, it's this type of day every day in Thailand throughout the entire summer. It's part of living here. I told you guys. If you come from SoCal or Colorado or something like that, and you come here, be prepared for this shit. There is the turbo diesel truck. I am now the new official start-finish line corner marshal. Is this still called a corner marshal on the front straight? It's not a corner. Don't tell anyone I broke that chair, okay? Support. I quit that job. It's not for me. I've been on the job 1 minute, I'm already breaking shit. That Millennium Jade is so incredibly sick. Such a beautiful car. It's like a mixture of sticking a toothpick in your ear and having an orgasm at the same time. Eargasm. Definitely. Major. Exploding. Squirting eargasm, if you may. Was that a little bit too graphic? I'm sorry, man. R35. Hands down, that is the best color combo you can get on the new Nismo R35s. That matte gray with the red trim, it's just sick. Oh, and did you know that A Nismo R35 GT-R here in Thailand cost, are you ready for it? 600,000 US dollars. 600,000 US dollars for a Datsun. Hey, there's a 350Z on track. Go 350Z. If you've been following me for a while, you know I had a Trackday 350Z for a few years. It's what I learned how to properly drive in. I ended up doing like over 40 track days in that car over a 4-year period. I miss it. While we're taking a break, I want to say 2 things. One, thank you so much for your support. Still, this channel continues to grow at like 500 plus subscribers a day, and it blows my mind. We're actually almost to 100,000, which is a huge deal for me. I mean, I can't believe the channel has grown this fast, and it wouldn't be possible without you. So I genuinely want to say thank you. Also, if you enjoy my content, please do me a favor. Make sure to share the videos with your friends and tell them to subscribe and turn on the bell notifications so they get notifications when I upload new videos. This is going to help me get to that 100,000 subscriber mark even quicker. So thank you for your support, and let's get back to the car racing shit. Okay, it's time to do this thing. I'm jumping in the orange car. This is the one I really wanted to ride in. Bank, do you know how much horsepower this car makes?
About 500.
About 500. It's 500 wheel horsepower. It sounds amazing. In my opinion, the best sounding car here. Let's do this. And then he turns the air conditioning on. Dude, this car is no bullshit. I don't know how to open this. This car is legit as fuck. Wow, man. Dude, this thing gets down, it is fast, and it grips, dude. It grips so incredibly hard. I've been in a lot of fast street cars. CO6s, Porsches, a lot of stuff, man. This would hang with them, and the feeling and the sound. Damn, this is good. I need 1 million subscribers. I need 1 million subscribers so I can make enough money to afford this. I need this in my life. Holy shit, that is good. Damn, that is good. What an amazing way to break my R34 on track cherry. Is that a thing? I just made that up. But that was the first time I have ever been on a track in an R34 GT-R. What an epic one to do it in. 2.8 liter stroker, twin turbos, over 500 wheel horsepower, giant brakes, good tires. No bullshit. That was amazing. I say that was amazing a lot, but it's probably because I do a lot of amazing shit. I still can't believe there's an R-tune here, a legit R-tune. You know, the only other time I've actually seen one of these cars was I did see one in Tokyo. I think it was at Tokyo Auto Salon. It being the only one in Thailand, it would sell here for significantly more than what it would sell for in the US or Japan. I have a friend, you guys probably saw the video, the white, I think it's an S-Tune. I think it's a white S-Tune Nismo edition. And white S-Tune Nismo editions are extremely rare. That car is for sale here in Bangkok for 14 million baht, which is like 430 something thousand dollars. Guessing this car would, if he did put it up for sale, currently probably 20 million baht, which is $600,000. Yeah, well over $500,000 US. Which when you think about it, when we were just having the discussion on what the prices were for a brand new Nismo R35, that's actually not a bad deal. This is probably a much better investment. Do you agree? I think so. I mean, there's only 25 of these. How many Nismo R35s were made? I mean, I've personally seen at least 20 of them. Hell, there's 2 here. Almost fell. I know they never made a legit GT-R sedan, but it's so cool to see the people here in Thailand make what Nissan didn't. And I'm normally not the type of person to like sedans. I'm either a coupe guy or a wagon guy. Like, I don't know, sedans just don't do it for me. But this one, it's badass. The track day is officially over, but we have one last thing to do before we head back to Bangkok. We need to park all the cars on the track for a photo op. That'll probably be the thumbnail of this video. Thanks for watching to the very end. And if you enjoyed this video and my other stuff, make sure to share this channel with your friends. Hit like, drop a comment down below to help with the algorithm, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. It's gonna be a good one.